How to share your playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your playlist on Spotify. First you go to Spotify and then click here your library, click on it, and now click like this playlist, and then click here, and now all you need to do is just click share. And as you see now, you can share it to anyone if you want, or click more if you want something else. And as you see, that's how share your playlist on Spotify. And if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.